Riu ri no tuguthi na mbere ona ngomoka onoka na aciari yake oke na nyina na showe nao no tuguthi na mbere mutambo ni urahurwo muno ni mucungani na ndi urahurwo uguo niki no ni undu wa maundu maria me hau mbere ma mutambo uyu andu aria makunjiragira poleni sana tondu mutambo no amba gwika ati wa end by itself wathira by itself, so I don't know niki kiratuma ngomegocene na mutambo uyu. You know what, let me just go direct. Hold on. Okay, dige guthie na madoido anyway ke tuthi na mbere andu aria makuhota kwirorera umuthi ngoma ni egocithirie umuthi ngoma ni egocithirie oro akuruta mask ndarenda twarie ndarenda thece ngoro cia andu kai kuri mundu arahoire arahoya aroiga Ngai umenyerere muno Njoki ndakanae kugweta handu haria hahutagia ngaigua biu ni ndahutio na hau niho ndenda gukinyira handu hau niho ndenda gukinyira because ni twikirite mask ni tukoretwo tugi ndiramenya kana urahota kuindorera tondu hau hangi gucenenekaga ni yathira by itself ta nyamu ina ngoma ciayo, but don't worry mutikamake no ngumukinyira ona o kaundu karia nguga ona ko kari o kanini no gakumukinyira. Topic yo muthi ni turute mask ithuothe na ndikugo ni mundu umwe tuge a big percentage, a very large percentage, maybe 90% ya andu ni twihumbaga mask. Ona ni Njoki ni ndihumbaga mask, ni njukaga ngehumba mask ngetua who I am not, na ni tukunindi kwiruta kuruta mask icio. Become yourself. Tondu kaingi twikagira mask nigetha tukenie andu, tugekira mask nigetha tukorwo twi aligned na a certain company, ugekira mask nigetha witikirike, ugekira mask nigetha uiganire kirathi kina, ugekira mask nigetha ciana ciaku ikwende, ugekira mask nigetha muthuri gwa kwende, ugekira mask nigetha mutumia waku akwende, ugekira mask nigetha portray a certain picture. Wathi handu ugakorwo uhana ta tatariwe. Ni turute mask, na twaruta mask noguo tukumenyeka who we are. Na the good thing about kuruta mask ni ati ndiroka kuri we ndi Njoki, ndiroka kuri we ndi Njoki ndi mwega kana ndi muru, unjitikire o uria hana. Ndoka kuri we no goroki wakwa unjitikire o uria hana. Ndoka kuri we no horeru wakwa unjitikire o uguo hana. Ndoka kuri we ndi mundu utaragia muno unjitikire o uria hana. Ndoka kuri we na mehemehe nyingi ukanjitikire o uria hana. Mahinda maingi ni maria turakorwo twikirite mask, na tugekira mask, and sometimes because of this mask you are losing yourself, because you are living somebody else's life. Uraikara maisha ma mundu ungi, urahitana na gukenia andu angi, so ugakorwo hingo ciothe nduri hingo ka live maisha maku, urivaga maisha ma mundu ungi. Na nikio rona andu aingi me depressed, nikio rona andu aingi me na stress, nikio rona andu aingi makienda kwiita tondu uri andu mamoe. Riu ndahota gutengerania because kahinda ga ku fake who you are, who you really are. Co-wife sasa mutambo wakwa ndinahota kushare muthi, so if you can share that would be nice. Ndinahota gushare mutambo uyu tondu haria ndimwira ndirahuthira ina maundu maingi na ndirenda kumihutia handu tondu ndirahutia handu igathie karehe wana, na mutambo uyu ni ndirenda ukinyire andu aingi tondu muthi ni kuruta turaruta mask. Oko niwe kanyambu we waria uria waragia, you become yourself. Dari uria njaragia, you become yourself, because the problem we have right now, we are so busy trying to please other people. We are pleasing everybody else except us. Ithi turathi tugakenia andu, at the end of the day ugathie gwaku ukaruta mask iyo gwikirite, you become yourself. Na the moment ukumenyeka Njoki ni mask akoragwo nayo, uguo tiguo hana, andu othe magakweherera tondu ni mask uturaga wikirite, ugathie uguo kanyitwo ni depression, wakinya handu keita. Niki kiratuma tuikare maisha ma andu aria angi. The reason I came up with this the reason I came up with this topic turute mask ni uhoro ucio wa Susan Namu. Uhoro ucio wa Susan Namu ni urahutirie ndi mutumia kana ni mundu wa kiremba to ni arahurirwo muno angi makoiga he andu aya kiremba ri niki thiko ici uri ungi ni muthuri uri uranyita gatwana arari atio wa kiremba uri ungi ni Alon ati no wa kiremba ona ni no ndakihurire Alon hani niguo nguthia kuga tondu nie at the end of the day ngoragwo ndi mutumia na ndi mutumia njikagira nguo cia mutumia ngekira uthi wa mutumia ngekira ngoro ya mutumia because uri utangienda gwikwo ni mundu uri ungi ndugeke mundu ungi oko ni uramenya muthuri ucio wene uraia umuthi ndukenda oke aiyo ogwo aire tiga kumuia mutumia ucio wene uraia muthenya wa umuthi ngikoni urenda akaiyo onawe ndukamuie na tiga hau tutinda tukiuga muthuri ndaiyagwo muthuri ni aiyagwo na mutumia ni aiyagwo. Let me tell you ways of kuia muthuri. Muthuri aiyagwo na the way we portray ourselves. Na athuri aingi ni muwe they are visual like Nyambura says. Kanyambo igaga athuri they are visual na metaga nyang'au nie ndigukimeta nyang'au no ndikimeta rimwe na rimwe once in a while. Yeah, there are some that are nyang'au na kuri angi ega ti othe nyang'au ni kuri ega ni kuri athuri ega marugamite. Athuri ni visual to muthi ingenda muthuri wene ingiikara ogwo ndiririria muthuri wene I know what tactics that I would do. Gwika tactic gwikira mask icio nicio mask iria ndiroiga gwikira mask nigetha njitikirike na mutikoiga athuri matiyagwo ni maiyagwo mutikoiga matiyagwo. Yes muthuri ena hakiri cia kuga umuthi ndigukira thi kwa ng'ania umuthi ndikurara kwa ng'ania because at the end of the day I know ndina mutumia handu umuthi ndikurara thi kwa ng'ania at the end of the day nijo ni ndika girlfriend handu umuthi ndikurara kwa ng'ania at the end of the day nijo to muthuri ona mutumia na maiyagwo ni undu wa one thing muthuri agigeciria uri ekire esiragia afterwards tondu aba agatongoranio ni marito brain tu twire meka brain ka mutwe na meka brain gekuria down manual na kau ka down manual niko kaige kamatongoragia na iria matongorio nika brain kau ka down manual ne hiti Jane Kara wameta hiti ona kama nema riu riria matongorio nika brain kau ka down manual niguo mekoraga mekite kiundu makoigaga damn did I really do that mudo esiragia afterwards. Na riria uraiga ati muthuri ndaiyagwo ni urahetia muno to muthuri ni aiyagwo na iyagwo na the way you are going to portray yourself, the way you are going to be conniving, the way you are going to just they told no ni twakiuga ni visual hekiria oi muthuri ni endaga kuona. If today I wanted to entice a man umuthi guka njikire kafrau thikangi gaikurukite haha ndikionekane wega njikire gakuo kangike haha thi ndithondeke to make up day hake na nikio ndiroiga turute mask maya at his munju doesn't rise by force, he likes what he sees. Exactly tikio ndiroiga Kanyambu ngoiga atiriri the reason why first of all wamuentice na you already know what men like to see. Na damenya what men like to see, I'm going to put on that mask jikare uria muthuri uyu arenda kunyona na ni ngumuentice urenda kuga ingithi jikarira muthuri ona huthagira 100% mutwe wake ndakwambia kuhuthira mutwe ungi ni kwambia kuhuthira ka brain kare ka down manual me nigigithie kiugaga nyang'au ne ite ne reure Susan Namu ni arahurirwo muno na kira kiratumire ahorwo ni arahurirwo ni undu wa tuvisa tu araekirite ni ndironire tuvisa tu na ni reke ndimwere ndiramuhura ndingimuhura tondu ariri at the end of the day Susan is a human being. Susan and a flesh and blood iria mutongoragia ni mwana munini bado na reke itwarie horo wa ma no diu no ogiuga atiriri njire njuge ta Kanyambu uria eraga andu moe moko iguru mundu utari watuma kabica ka muthemba kwi mundu wake oe guoko iguru tariu nie na muthuru wakwa atana kinya guka inge koro technology yo ne thia oguo ekegorokia bisa icio ikahoro Facebook chwa kana ikahoro WhatsApp chwa Mwihaki Faith. Hey, haya sasa I felt so sad that girl. Yes. Arathire karandikwo yani kairitu kau kararia so innocently. Urakona gakiario ukaiga you know kairitu gaka karatuma bisa icio no nwaigwa gutumanira maratumanagĩra so na muthee no aratumire ona muiritu no aratumire gutiri utanatuma na reke ndimwire riria mundu arenda kwentice mundu wake you do things against the odds. You do things that not a normal person would do. Tuthiaga uguo nie ndamwira nie hakwa reke ndimwe twina muthuru wakwa not just me twina muthuru wakwa atana kinya guka ungiona tuvice tu kon twatangirirwo uguo hey gathuiti ni akonaga ni akariaga na macho wiciragia riu wa muhe arie na macho Banis Ng'ang'a karibu. Hey sasa karibu sana umwiraga arie na macho na nigetha itwikaga uguo iri mundu ekaga uguo agiciria ona haha ri hakiri ciake ni ekuririkana he ndina mundu hana ndiguthie kwa Nyambura ndiguthie kwa ri ongi ndina mundu hana. That is what we think. I blame the guy who did that, but it's the woman who got the stones. Yes, you see, kada ni ereciririe no itume no ikada itimakaga ni miri yao matimakaga koguo na ringi Susan agireciria acicokio oige woka na ruhiu na ni gwamukire na ruhiu an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. Ara decide de wende gucianika kaire tukau ndakaheire kiria ndakaheire max muno ndakaheire a lot of credit gatina na Susan ndori ndoboru urekire reke ngwire irari kada yaku murarorete kihiko-ini na nigetha kiririkane ndwitiringia nete twero kahinda kaiga mieri igana na mithiru kana miaka igana na mithiru no nginya ngironire kero kau nigetha ririkane I have something to look forward to. Ona nina muthee wakwa no twatumanagĩra no from now on reke indike mwire andu aitu mutigacoke gutuma direct wako ni urenda kuona kumuonia China huraga mbica ya China na ndukahure yothio waku na ndukahure maguru mothe mundu ui kuguru gwaku oko nita gwakwa guku gwa sport ukaga kuhura kuguru gutikamenyeke ni gwaku hura down manyu gatuma ukahura down manyu ati ona ingianiko gutie mundu ngimenya ino ni yao ino ni yao wira uyu ni wao tie mundu ngimenya wira uyu ni wao mutikaye gutuma radio akamau wi mwega sasa mutikaye gutuma akao kiu nikio igukenagia na nuramenya ni yago kahura China tu kahura China no uthie ndukahure kamutumira akaririkanaga there is something I'm looking forward to no ndukahure othie tondu ici ni ciracoka igawika ati igakurehera thina ningi ugituma ni uramenya no uratumira ukamenya ni haha ni candidate hena possibility ya kuhiki haha no gutumagira arume othe magacoka gucianeka na ndiu ni kithiku ici arume atene atumia ni ithu twarwaga haro ta icio cio buthi atumia ni ithu twaikaine na kurwa tuharo tu twa buthi ni ngukwanika thiku ici arume niyo makuite tuharo twa atumia how dare ugathii ukanika video mwahurirwo mukiria maica na mundu waku na hingo mwari ya maica mwari imwe na nyonaga video andu mwitikagira kuoyo video ta icio niki mwitikagira niki kuoyo video mugika packaging ono ngikio video ndukioyo haria ha packaging haria China na ndugakioyo thi mundu na ngikiona ndari hingo angihana uiro uyu ni njoki dona to aikorirwo ni akiria nyana China akamenya njoki ana ate China aya mambo ya China China ni kuria kuria down manual ni China no horo wa andu arume gutida magituma kiria but we need to get this mask off. We become ourselves na kiria kiratuma andu magena depression. We are striving, working so hard to wear mask neither so and so Mwihaki aguo ndungi William wanyonage ndungi wanyona how dathie kanitha the way you saw me in church you want to I want to keep up with that picture yoria uranyonire kanitha-ini ngirugaruga ngihoya, but in me I am a whole different person. Tariu nie ndi muhoi njorua, and at the same time I call it as it is. Jaragia shararoko ona gakiria ga topic ga sex no karioka na no ndiarie shararoko as it is. By the way, my sister nyonirie handu maundu maya twiragwo ati ni maurathoni twaragia. Do you know they are in the Bible? Ungiona Bible uria yaritie uhoro wa maundu maya tuga ni maurathoni. It is says as it is. Na ningumurutira ngioka kwaria uhoro wa topic iyo ngamwira nginya Bible haria iraria uhoro wa ma. No riu twenda go tugashuga coat tuka fake goka kuri we ndi so and so, and that is why people are depressed, because uria ndirenda mwihaki ogue at the end of the day tugacemania nawe tiguo hiana, uria ureciragia hana tiguo hiana. Riu gathie na guiltness, gathie na kiundu ya kunjirithagia, gathie hingo ciothe na gathie na cira unguite unyumite thutha. Aya mwihaki arangorire ma deto na ndoe ni nyuaga, arangorire ha na muthuri wa ng'ania na oigaga ndi muhonoku. Kanitha-ini ne nie heanaga giathi, kanitha-ini ne nie heanaga intercessory prayer. We need to take our mask off because we are hiding what is inside us. Atunyania besha kwa jenywe mutunyanaga besha, nie ndanatunywa besha ciakwa ni ciama. Atunyania besha ni mweyoe na ndiko mugweta to ni mweyoe. Mutunyanite besha mutunya njokioka kwaria ati ni atunyirwo besha gatwika ni etandu aici. Na ni muramenya muri aici tondu na ciama icio ni iraharagana ni uria mumaire. Gacoka gutwika ati nie ni ndaria oru because me I follow my coin. Nie oko heithabu ndekire wega ni ithabu ria besha, ona muthuru wakwa ni anjitigagira. Tungithie nduka nie na ingikira 10,000 muhuko tuthie nduka, at the end of the day ndika ithabu riakwa nginya ni ndimenya 50 shillings menye thiereire ha, ndunginji ona igana njikaga ona ingikorwo ndi manga to no ngorwo ndikinyuite gakawaini ndikuhenania ati ndingikikunda kawaini. Ona ingiko ndi manga nyuma na 10,000 muhuko, 10,000 ndiciika ithabu twathie. But Joki, hata hawa wanaume wetu wako na kashida fulani, they date online with more than 10 women. That is the problem, and that is why I'm saying hemu idu turajariria uru. By the way, ria ndirathire ndiraheana kanda hau irendaga mundu mwire turariria uru araiga anga ndira betray kanda anga ndireka atia na ndaroyo uria twaritie na kanda eno. But dating online, you are either dating a murderer na dramenya, you are dating a mundu turaga aragia na hiki online ara chat na 10 different women at the same time. Na higwo ni ugurukirio ni mundu we online araria na mundu we Dubai, ona hari ari right now ringi na muhiki ena muhiki ringi we kioro no haha ni arandikira ahiki ange 10. We need to stop this online dating. Utaramenya uradate mundu wa muthemba. Yes ni joya ndo monanite andu ega, but ni personally nie ndiendete ku meet strangers. Ati ndiendete kuhe wendo wakwa strangers. No nginya to meet together tumenye you know, menye the kind of a person you are. No you at least ka here ase ka muthemba. To ti here ase ciothe ikoragwo injuru. Njo ati mia ntuthukanagiria, especially wamenya ha hena possibility ya kohiki. Ukeragwo yo ni nyanga urenda kuhikira wimenyere muno. Acoka kaya gwatuika ni muthuri mwega. I know we do that a lot, but we need to be careful adu atroka online ko date. Washa na haters. Yes. Droka draria horo wa mundu ucio. Muiritu aranjira, you know, but would you rather ati kaitangi muhukapu athi online dating? Ago the online dating ni akore hawkers, akore hoes, akore all kind of people. Adwa dawa, adwa johi, adwa this and that. Asemanagi na the wrong person. Na ni mundu wina twana ara nidi kurera twana twake. Would you not rather have somebody oe mundu dari mwe hakiojitire kanda ina hau ojire kanda no nie ndimionete uria kinyete ri ti kanda njuru na ni gwetire mundu wina hau okugwire kanda no ri nie ndiramenya ABCD atuikaga ona nona nie kwanja ngikwira horo wa mundu ngwiraga ng'ania wa muona ri nie ndithaga ni wanjoria mundu njuyu horo wake ngukwira ngwire so and so atuika ne kadinya atuikaga nie ndikwiraga ni kadinya ngwiraga atuikaga uri acukagwo ABCD ndiokuhenia at the end of the day ndoiga ndi mutumia at the end of the day koguo maundu maria marekwo mutumia uri ungi moka hari nie makandura to at the end of the day ndi mutumia ni turutei mask to turekera mask tugetua things we are not tugetua holier than thou at the end of the day ugikinya gwaku ngoma iria wetete muthuri guo there was ngoma iria wetete mutumia waku your was gwaku gutikarikaga ukoragwo haro kuma Monday ginya Saturday Sunday ukahonoka and we are here preaching the gospel ukombire mbeca ndukariha na wetio karumana at Sunday service niwe wa mbere kuga ngeitwa hanire andu me ehia magathi kwa ngoma yewe wikirite mask na ntukui okiumagara urathi kwi muthuri wa ngania kwi mutumia wa ngania. And I talk about this a lot because this is what happens. Riu uhoro wa Susan Namu ni uradurire muno ni uhoro wa andu makiuga ni mukurino kama mukurino ataokagia Julia as it is mukurino ndokagia mukurino ndarugamagia mukurino ti mundu kai mukurino akoragwo ariu ndimurie ka mukurino akoragwo ariu it's the same thing. Toto ria mututida ha tukinegena ati ma pastors ngani arekire pastors yarokire areko pastors yana mwiri na thakame na mwambe mumenye amwe mekite theology otoria nawe ukite ogeka nursing weka nursing dadrumagirira maundu mothe maria nursing yugaga wike. You don't exercise, nursing yugaga wike exercise. You don't eat well, nursing yikwiraga eat well. You don't sleep well, nursing yikwiraga sleep well. You don't take water, nursing yikwiraga water is good for you. And you are a nurse. It is the same thing as a pastor. There are some who have done theology. If there is such a word, theologian. There is some that have done theology as a career, not because ne metirwo. Hari matari agwetwo ni career ya kuhunjia. Hari mundu ungikuhunjiria. Nie ne joy pastors maiga nona mahunjagia kiugo kiugo gakinya mucie. But mitugo yao ni mioru muno. But because they are human at the end of the day. Mokorino ne modo. Yes. At the end of the day, mena mwere na thakametani. No, the good thing, what we ought to do, the most important thing ya kumenyerera ni ngoro yaku. Otoria Job erirwo otoria Ngai erire ngoma ndungata yakwa Job meki uria wothe wenda gwika minyariri uria wothe urenda kunyarira no ndukahutie ngoro yake. Kiria kingi tuteithie ithui ni undu wa mask ici turekira urekira mask ginya riu no agire kwimenya we mwenyewe tondu ndenda gwitua ndoka ndenda gwitua Emmy na ndire Emmy, ndoka gwitua Banis na ndire Banis, mukinyukirie ndenda gukinyukio wa so and so na tiniwe mwario ndenda kurutaga kanua karia karutaga paka mpangoni pangoni akawekera mpangoni na tiguo hana. Ndenda guikara kirathi gia so and so na tiguo hana. Ndenda kugura ngari iria so and so agurite na tiguo hana. Twikirite mask cia mithemba na mithemba. Ndenda gutuika mundu wa kuhunjagia na tiguo hiana. I am not a preacher at the end of the day. But we come here wanting to be other people. And then we tend to get into a depression mode. Todo no ageririe uikara kirathi kire gitari giaku no ageririe uikara muikarire otari waku. You are wearing that mask. Mask iyo ni erakwagithia toro utuko ndurakoma tondu Njoki ni aragurire kirori giki ndiragitwara haha ndurakoma urenda riu guthii gwika driving yetio na gakari gaku ndui gucokia thutha na ni kanini urenda guthii gwika riu driving uheo kirori ta Njoki to ni aratwara giake andikiri na kio by the way it's just a say riu turekira mask cia mithemba na mithemba na mithemba na mithemba tugekira mask ugithie toro ndungikoma wageria kwetha. You cannot sleep because you have already worn somebody else's mask. You have already tried the life of somebody else. But what will help you? What will help me? Na kirege gututeithia ni turute mask. We become who we are, but be accountable. Be accountable to God. Ngoro yaku ugeragie ikoragwo itheru. At the end of the day, shirithia ngoro yaku, even being yourself. In being myself as Njoki, nigenetie mwathani at the end of the day. Maundu maria njikite ni makanjirithia. In being myself, handu hau ndirathire ni hagacirithia ngoro yakwa, ni hagoka hangaruruke. Kirato kiu ndiraire kiang'ania ni kanjirithia, ni ngate ciakwa 10 ni undu wa kiu kimwe. Mbeca icio cia muhiriga ndirarire ni igathi uguo itumenda yakwa tuthuke tondu keinde mwire ciena itio ndokeirwo no utikindu kiuruta mbeca cia muingi kuria mbeca cia muingi. You are at it. You are at it. Witagia mathino o umetagia maga bring oyo kumaga oyo ngi ugakoingira bring. And the thing is ithu aciari kirikana kiroiga ningakinyeria ruciaro rwaku rwa gatatu na rwa kana mawaganu ma maithe mao. The problem is we no age ukorwo gikanyuirira gathina kau gaku ukorwo tu arakanyuirira. Kanyuirirwo ni mwariguo, kanyuirirwo ni muruguo, kanyuirirwo ni uria muciaranairwo nake, kanyuirirwo ni tucucu twaku generation, third and fourth generation to come. But if you're selfish, that is why you're doing what you're doing. The reason you do what you do is because you don't care and you're selfish. If we take off our mask na twire ngoro citu itucirithie, tuikarage ciitheru hingo ciothe, tuikarage tutagutuika so and so because so and so is being so and so, tuikarage tutekwenda kumenya uria mundu uria ungi areka, no ucirithagio ni ngoro yaku maundu maria weka ukenda kumenya. Will I pay a price, and what is that price gonna be? What really pisses me off? What pisses me off? Ni kuona andu magika o maundu maria maramakenia. O ithuĩ tugekagĩrwo mask because we want to live a life that makes us just happy ourselves. You don't care mwana waku kiria kariha kiria wekire. You don't care aria muciaranairwo nao. You don't care tucucu twaku turia tutari tuciare tugoka turihire maundu maria wekire. You don't care because you're selfish. And these are the days that have been prophesied. Ati nigugoka ruciaro rwina ruthuro rwendi bia na nikio raigwe ndiraihutio na hanini. Ngoro yaku ona ndiraga toro ni mbeca warire ciene, ndiraria toro ni migunda warire yene. Oh, thank you my dear. Tukijarĩrĩrie gwaka meme ma forum nĩngũthie kwaria ona menda njarie cia maundu mau ma gĩthĩinĩ nĩngwaria. Thank you nyendete ko wife nĩkĩ ndagũcagũrire wĩ ko wife. You know, maundu maya tureka marakenia ngoro citu. We are doing it because we are selfish, because we are not thinking about the generation to come. You are not even thinking about that kid of yours that might pay prices, hard prices, because ya indo icio warĩire ciene migunda waire yene kwanja aicia migunda acio me Kenya. Migunda mwarĩire nĩ gatuthuka ndainĩ icio cianyu nikio thiaga ukona ciana ciaku itirathie point iroima point A point B tingikira to marariha ruciaro rwa gatatu na rwa kana urariha mehia maria wekire. It's unfortunate. Ni turute mask tutige kuonia andu this is who we are and we are not. Kirikaniro kiratwira ono ngiaria na thiomi ono ngianirira uge ono ngianirira wanirire uge uria wendete Ngai ona ruina gwate rwimbo ru ona ngiaria na ona ngianirira muno unjerie andu aingi na ngoro itare na wendo nyindiki ndugia tuhu riu ungikota ri na wendo na kire kingituma wendo niguo coka ugatuthuka wendo ucio wina guo aciana watu cucu tu tugoka wa generation iyo goka wa ciana icio cia kwetare they can inherit your the curses that people have cast with ni undu wa kuiya mbeca ciene ni undu wa kuiya migunda yene ni undu wa kuiya indo ciene ni undu wa maheni ni undu wa tharia wendo ucio wina guo andu ari angi niguo uka ukania ugakwira don't do this because at the end there is a price to pay. Don't do this, but because you're selfish, it's only me, you don't care. You are living a life of not caring. You Roiga, it's about my time. It is me time. That me time, it will bear fruits, sour fruits, matunda moru me poison. And who planted those ones? Newe with a me attitude. Na maski yo watu ehumbeire. Tukonaga kindu kiria tureciria nikio giki. Waruta mask tukoiga ha. Oya akoragwo njoki ma. Kumbe ono we njoki. Leke iturute mask. Ni undu wa matha na ni undu wa mutambo uri ocereirwo ni ingenda kwaria muno no ngutigira hau. Till next time nitukaria uhoro wa kiria wa andu agima kana ni magucagiririo kana if adults are influenced adults kana ni matuikaga influenced niyo topic yakwa ya Sunday. Ngai wa moya murathime. Sorry ni mutambo wako guo muthi wa mess up dire mucie kuria ngoragwo studio ati studio ati karia jikaragira ti hode but until then God bless you na thank you niko jirorera na uri okuona video no thank you. Ngai wa moya murathime mwaikia ihiga ritiko ngotha tondu horo wa ma ni uturaga by the way na waigwo giturwo the ni ucenje meikarire yaku urute mask yo wikirite utige twende kumenya the person you are not because what you are wearing is a mask and you need to take it off because the real you has come out na nitumionete na matunda mari urutite so far. God bless you and God be with you. This mutambo koragwo we andu aria makoragwo me behind mutambo de mere thank you Dix Oshu Odho and Pastor Nesh. Thank you. Eroreria kwa Kanyabu, co-wife, Banis, I see all of you. Inyuothe Ngai wa moya murathime na mweke wega na reke iturute mask. Na tukiruta mask ngoro citu ikorwo itheru. Ona tulirio us tugacirithio ni ngoro citu. Tukamenyaga kana ni tureka maundu maria mangikenia Ngai. At the end of the day, you are accountable and you want to reap what you sow. Thank you. God bless you. Lydia Kamau, tuonane haria. Okay.